As I said before, this wig is glueless. Y'all can see me lifting it up.
Scratch mixed it.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, then welcome. If you're not new here, then welcome back. Today we have a brand new Where to Go 5x5 glueless wig by the company Alipearl hair. Now in the beginning I showed you guys all the goodies they sent me. They sent me a whole bunch of stuff, but I just had to go straight to the wig. Look at the details on this wig. This wig came pre-cut, pre-plucked, slightly pre-bleached, and it came curled, meaning it is fresh and ready to go straight out of the box. If you are one of those people who finds it very hard to customize your wig but also doesn't want to pay for the extra customization because that can cost the price of another wig, these kind of wigs are perfect for you. Look how small the knots are and look at all the details that they put into customizing this unit. Now this lace is a regular fitted dome cap. It does have an adjustable elastic band at the back. You can get this unit in either a 4x4 closure, a 5x5, or a 6x6. I got mine in a 5x5. I feel like that's pretty standard to work with. You can also get it in a 4x4 if that's too much for you and you really just want the basics. The unit I got is 20 inches and it comes in a natural black color. Now, when I was about to install it, the main goal was just to install it fresh out the box because I really wanted to challenge myself. So I'm using my even lace tint in medium dark brown and I'm letting that dry all over the lace. Now the wig does look a little bit roughed up because I did have to pack it from college move-in. As you can see, my setup is very different than what it was. And I'm not doing anything to this wig. I did not pluck it, I did not bleach it, and I did not cut it. I didn't even have to cut off the excess lace how I like it because you guys know sometimes I do go back in with my scissors and I cut off what I don't like, but they cut it perfectly. Like I really didn't have to do anything. And I didn't use any type of adhesive during this install. I didn't put any extra products on this lace. The only thing I did was do a little bit of hairspray at the front, but I don't even consider that because I didn't have to do that. So please don't mind it if the curls dropped. I promise those curls were tight for about a week, but it was just in the middle of my college moving stuff. So the curls end up dropping, but the wig still turned out absolutely gorgeous. I got hair in my mouth right here. So this is me putting on the wig. I adjusted the elastic band already. The wig does not come layered, but you can add slight layers if you want. This is just like a, basic, fresh out the box, where to go. No effort needed because a lot of wigs do take a lot of time and not everybody has time for that. Some people just want to put it on and go. This is me trying to figure out how to make it less bulky on my head because as I said, I didn't even hot comb this wig. Like nothing at all was done. It was fresh out the box. This is like if you were in a cave and this wig got delivered to you, you could put it on. You could put it on. That's it. So I'm brushing the curls back because I kind of wanted the layers. I kind of wanted it to look like I had layers even though I didn't cut any because not everybody knows how to cut layers. I didn't learn till like literally a couple months ago. And I decided I'm going to take some hairspray. This is what I was talking about. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it at the front and kind of bring up the front section of my hair just to really have it frame my face and to make sure the back of it stays flat so that way it looks like it's installed when really it's just sitting on the top of my head. And y'all are gonna see me lift the wig up a couple times. Don't worry about it. I don't mind lifting it up. As I said, the wig is not installed on my head, so if I need to fix it and take it off and put it back on, I'm gonna do that. But that is literally it for the install. Alright, so this unit is from Alipearl hair. This is their 20-inch body weight 5x5 closure unit. It came slightly pre-bleached, so I'm showing you guys how it could look if you don't do anything at all to it. Slightly pre-bleached, it was pre-cut, and it was fully pre-plucked. You guys saw me take it out the packaging. It's 20 inches. It is 150% density, I believe, either 150 or 180. Either one. The wig is gorgeous. It is a natural black color, and y'all can see like I really didn't do anything to it. I installed it fresh out the box like I said I would. I just put a little bit of the lace tint on there. I didn't pluck it. This is what the hairline is looking like. And then it also came pre-curled, so it comes curled like already in the packaging if you want to just wear it like that. Now I am gonna brush out some of those curls because they've been in there for so long. I just want to see what the hair looks like brushed out.
Very fluffy. It's literally no product in the wig. I didn't do anything to it except just put it on my head. That's what the wig is looking like. This is a medium. You can adjust your cap size on the website. So it's 20 inches. Pretty long, I would say, for a 20-inch wig. That's a pretty good length. 20 inches. This is what it looks like. And yeah, so wigs like this are very convenient. If you really don't know how to customize wigs but you still want to be able to wear them, I recommend a unit like this. Obviously the curls drop because they've been here since I literally got the wig. Like since I first got the wig, they've been here. I'm probably just gonna put a rod on it and then end up refreshing it. But yo, that's the hair. Like I said, the ends is full. I'll give it that. The ends are very full. You can make it a side part if you would want to, but I would do a little bit more customization beforehand. But it doesn't look bad in the middle part, just like fresh out the box. If you really need to do what you gotta do, then yeah. It's like extremely bushy because I decided to brush it out. I don't know why I did that, but yeah.
Now to experiment with this wig even further, I went ahead and I cut some bomb like wispy bangs into it. This wig was like 10 out of 10. Everybody loved this look, so I'm gonna just go a little bit more in depth about how I did it. Okay, so it is a literal 2 days later, I think. Yeah, 2 or 3 days later since I originally did it. Let me just adjust my settings real quick. What am I talking about? 2 days since I actually installed the wig, and I ended up cutting bangs into it just because I really wanted it. As I said before, this wig is glueless. Y'all can see me lifting it up. When I tell you I love a glueless wig, I really love a glueless wig. The reason why I turned it into a bang wig, just because I've always wanted bangs and I wanted a wig that was very full and like thick to work with. This wig is thick all the way down to the end, like true to length. It stays thick throughout the entire wig. I cut layers into it and it's still really thick. So I'm gonna just lift up again to show y'all that it's glueless, and then I'm gonna put it right back down, you know, fix my bangs. Make sure they look how they're supposed to be looking. Oh no, I don't know what's going on with this one. Hold on, y'all. Okay, a little bit up more. There we go. And it just looks so like, I don't know. It just looks so like it got cut professionally. I don't know. But the wig eats. Because the wig is a natural black, I didn't have to do any dyeing to it. Because you know, like the jet black look with layers, I layered it and I put the bangs in it, but I did not have to dye it. I didn't have to do anything. And I'm gonna show y'all what the lace is looking like. The lace is still looking pretty concealed. Underneath that, I didn't have to do anything. The wig is staying in place. It's not going anywhere because of that elastic band. It is not moving, even though it is glueless. Like, I was at a party today and it did not move. It really didn't do anything. Only thing that's happening is getting stuck to my lip gloss because it's not coming off my head. Check out more from Alipearl hair. This hair was definitely a win for me because it came slightly pre-bleached, which is good. Like, I could still work with it. I don't really have to do anything if I'm in a rush. If I want to bleach it, I can bleach it, but I really don't have to. It came pre-plucked and it came pre-cut, so I really didn't have to do anything to this wig except put the lace tint on and then style it exactly how I wanted to, and it turned out perfect. And I can still wear it regular. If I like brush this back, I could still, you know, like if I fix that. Clearly it's not fixed now, but if I fix it up and I actually install it, I could wear it regular if I want to and just slip these back. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.